Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna be restoring this beautiful trim that I just sanded for my car. This trim right here is the one that goes right here on the window, and this is a common problem for Integras that they start peeling. So what I did was took this piece off. This is where it goes in case you're curious. Took it off, sanded it, so now I can paint this and restore it back to how it was. Try to make it factory look. I have two of them, passenger and driver side, and then I'm also going to be restoring my wiper blades that go right here. See, this one was also peeling, so I guess it's a common problem too. So I'm going to be painting both of these, passenger and driver side, and then passenger and driver side window trim. That way the car looks a little bit refreshed. I also took off the cowl because I'm restoring that too. It's gonna be right here. I had to take it off because what I had came across was it was broken right here, so I welded it, plastic welded it, but it didn't hold on well because I was using like the wrong plastic. And then I've tried to fix it right there too. So now I'm not gonna be painting this today, but I will be painting it later, making a separate video because I still need to fix it, go to the store and buy like plastic like weld for that piece right there. So that's gonna be a later project, which kind of sucks because I wanted to paint it all together along with this right here, but I guess we're just gonna be doing these today. And then I was also gonna paint my fender liners, but these fender liners aren't like the best condition. So what I'm planning on doing, well, I was originally gonna paint them too with the other stuff, but these are, I guess, okay-ish condition. They're like beat up really bad. Like there's overspray. I was gonna paint like underneath right here to make it look better, but I was just gonna put them on for right now until I'm able to get new ones, because I do want to get new ones and they still make them new, especially from Honda itself. So that's my plan. Okay, so I'm gonna be prepping this with some alcohol, and I'm gonna clean both of these parts, and then I'm gonna tape them up really good, and then eventually my plan is to use this string and hang them right there so I can paint them, and hopefully they come out well. So let me get to cleaning. Oh shoot, and then I need tape. This is the only tape I have right now, so I'm gonna use this. So let's get it. Look, it looked clean, but it was not. That's why you gotta clean it. I'm honestly excited for this. I can't wait for it to turn out really well, which I hope it does. I'm just gonna clean the outside edge. So this one's done. Now, this other one. Okay, window trims are clean. Now the wiper blades. I can tell you by this shit's gonna be dirty. I don't know if no. I'm also gonna be painting inside like here. Yeah, neat. Okay, now that I prepped both of these guys, these ones and these ones, I'm gonna mask them, and then after I'm done masking them, I'll show you how I'm gonna try to hang them up there. If not, maybe I'll just put like a cardboard or something on top on the floor. That way they're just hanging. These ones are gonna hang for sure, so I have to figure out a way how to hang those. These ones, I have no idea. I'm gonna need something like a cylinder or something flat, maybe that, and then I could just spray on top of it. We'll see. So today I'm going to be using this SEM Trim Black and Restore finish. I will leave this down below in the description below, even though sometimes I do forget to put it, but I'm going to be using this to spray my wiper blades and my window trim with this paint. So hopefully this will make it better to paint with this stuff right here. So let's give it a shot. This is my first time using this product, so if it fails, you know who to blame and go at. See, I have my little contraption right here. I use string for these, and then for these I'm just gonna use standard cardboard. Hopefully I don't get it anywhere. So let's give this paint a shot. Here's a closer look. That's the part number, because there's two of these. There's a Trim Black and a like ultimate, Trim Ultimate or something like that. Here's the directions. So it says 2 to 3 wet coats, 3 to 5 minutes between coats. Got this. For a second, I thought this tip was movable, because from the looks of it, it looks movable. Oh man, wish me luck. Okay, ready? Oh no, my tape, it's not working. I need to stick. Stick, tape, stick. Damn, it's kind of hard to record. Some on the thingy. I'm sorry if I can't record and paint at the same time. It says 3 to 5 minutes in between. Now I'm gonna spray these, and I hope I don't get paint everywhere. I'm gonna try it though. I'm recording on my left hand, painting on my right, so it's kind of hard. Yo, that looks sick. Dude, they already look black. What the hell? Oh my god. This is fire. I'm sorry that I keep tilting it like this. It's my left hand. Dude, this thing looks so black. This looks really black. I have weird bubbling there because that's where like the side mirrors were at. I don't really care too much about that because you won't be able to see it. Same thing right here, so I'm fine with that, but it's getting there. Dude, this looks sick. Painting and recording is hard. You need like a little GoPro. I'm trying my best. Okay, my hand is kind of tiring from pressing this and recording. And I'm trying to move with the wind because these things are moving. And I'm trying to paint it where I can get it because the wind is blowing spray. Bruh. My finger's cramping up. These look like they're almost done. Might need another coat. But this is what they look like. That's fire. Let me see if it's dry. Yeah, they dry fast. That's pretty good. Dude, I'm excited for this. Alright, I'm gonna detail. Oh! That's not good. I moved the whole cardboard. But I'm gonna do some detail work, finish it up, and then I'll show you the end results because there are some spots that I can't get and I can't spray and record at the same time. So I'm gonna do my best, make it come out better, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So give me 1 second. I just finished painting my stuff. Check this out, check this out. Dude, look how good these came out. Don't mind the weird bumps, but look. You can't even see. They're like black. They came out really nice though. I like the material. I already checked too. It's already dry. And it smooths too. And I didn't get no runs because that thing dried fast. These are my wiper blades. Check it out. So at first I was gonna, for my wiper blades, I think I could have sanded and cleaned them a little bit more. That's why I have those weird spots. Oh, bro, I already got a bug here. But I wasn't gonna paint the inside, but I was just like, you know what? Let me just paint the inside, might as well. Make it look nice and refurbished. All this is painted. That's the driver's side, this is the passenger side because it's shorter. And I painted the inside too and it looks so good. Honestly, I don't even know if I did it before and after. My thumbnail will probably show it. But look how good they came out. They look way better than how they were and I'm proud. They look so good. They look brand new. I'm excited for these. And I'm excited to paint my cowl, but I can't do it today. It was supposed to be for today, but I needed that one JB Weld plastic bond Check it out. Dude, they came out so good. I'm so proud and happy. Okay, a little side note. I was reading this and it says full hardness is obtained in 48 hours. So it's gonna take like 2 days for it to become fully matte. So that's not the finish. I need to wait 48 hours and it'll probably look better. So I'll probably record after it's been like maybe 30 days to see if it changed. In case you're in the market for some matte black, trim black restorer, it's on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description, and that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I encouraged you to do the same thing if you have any trim. I wanna know if this actually works on like rubber stuff too, because I wanna repaint the rubber like rear window for my car. I don't know if it'll work, but I do wanna maybe try it out. But that's it. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video now that my car runs and we could probably finally drive it.